Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I do appreciate you all. So today we're going to be doing this beautiful maternity photo shoot dress. It's so easy to make. It took me less than 30 minutes to make. I was really tired already, so heavy. I did this 10 days before I gave birth. You're going to hear from the video how I was running out of breath, but it was worth it. I believe you're going to enjoy this, so stay tuned. Thank you. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to make, I don't know if to call it a dress, an attachment or something. I want to make something that I'm going to use for my maternity photo shoot. So I have this fabric. It's about 7 meters long. 7 meters long, yes. So what I want to do is I want to, you understand something? You're going to see what I want to do, but I'll first explain. So I need just one measurement for this. I want to take my height from my shoulder all the way to the floor level. That's way past my ankle. I think it already, that's like 53 inches. So I want to take it double because I want it to go from front to back. I don't know if you understand. That's 53 times 2. From my shoulder all the way to the floor level is 53 inches. So I want it front and back. So that will be 53 times 2. So that will give me 106 inches. 106 inches. So I want to measure. I want to get 106 inches of this. 106 inches, which I'll cut. Or maybe I can just go like this. You see, this is what I want. Front, that's why I said front and back. Okay, front and back. So if I get 106 inches of this, I'm going to cut it. I hope I can get it 4 times from this. I'm not sure, but I'm going to see what to do and get 4 times. Then that will be good enough. Then I'll cut it. When I finish cutting it all, I'll come back to you to show you what I'm going to do. So I finished cutting it. So I have this is 2 and this is 2 strands and 2 strands. I wish it was more though, but I have these 2 strands. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tag at the end here, tag at the shoulder, and then I'm going to use this piece of cloth. You can use whatever you want, any piece of cloth. I just got this pink and just sewed it in and inside out. Just sew this. I'm going to my shoulder length like that. I'm going to tag it and tag it on this, and I'm going to tag this one and tag on another one, and that's just what I want to do. I'll just show you now how I'm going to style it, how I'm going to wear it for my photo shoot. So it's as easy as that. I hope you understand. One more time, I've cut this fabric. See, from the length of my waist from my length from my shoulder all the way to the floor 2 times. So I've cut the fabric. So that I have 2. So I probably have 3 pieces here already. So I have 3 here, and unfortunately I have just 2 this way. So I have 5. So anyways, I'm still going to tag. One side will be fuller than the other. I'm going to tag it and put here at the midpoint, and do the same for this one, and then I'll show you how I'm going to wear it. So now this is after finding the midpoint of all the materials of the go like this. Okay, that's the midpoint. And then I have my needle. So I'm just doing a lazy man kind of tag. I'm not even sure if this is allowed. That's my lazy man tag. I'm done. Now I'm going to go with my pink fabric. Whatever I want to use, you can use this what I had at home. And because what I'm going to be wearing inside is this color as well. it there like that, and then I'll sew on. I'll sew it like this, then I'll come back in. So that is what it looks like after finishing. This is supposed to be inside. So now, to give you an idea, now you have to look for whatever you can use as a string or twine. Whatever you can use as a string or twine. And we're going to tie it here. I'm probably just going to crochet something. You tie it here, and then you can decide to make it for the, also tying it. You see, front and back, huh? So I decided to make it for, and then you have your something. I don't know if it's a dry something for your maternity photo shoot. You don't need to spend much money, right? To get what you want to wear for your maternity photo shoot. After all, it's just a one-day thing. So I'll show you the final look when I finally style it. Ciao. Okay, so as I said, I'm done, and this is the pink gown I'm going to be wearing in here. So now you saw what I did already. I'm just going to show you how to style it. Finally, I didn't put the petals anymore. I'll put it here. And this one. My shoulder here. So as I said, I made a stripe from glue. I just crocheted it. You can use whatever you want. So I just thought of using it like this. And then I'm going to tie it under my breast. And that is done. As easy as that. See? You need to go to a clever to and spend a lot of money. All of this is going to cost you less than, maybe if we're talking France here, maybe less than 10,000 francs. Or less than $20, but you know if you go to Canada, you know how much you're going to have this. So you're going to see all the pictures I got with this, they're so beautiful. That's all about this guy. That's all about it. It's styling however you want to. You can move all of this to one side. Let me see, I didn't think of that before. Yeah, this is a good style. I didn't think of this before. Do it like this. This is my own little improvisation for maternity photo shoot, because we know after the pictures you're not going to do anything with the stresses anymore. So I just improvised to do something that is not too expensive but classy. Thanks for coming. Please consider liking, subscribing to my channel, and sharing with your friends. Thank you.